My name is Gary Herkins with Subsea Technologies here in Katy, Texas. We're doing an unboxing today of Handheld's new rugged tablet running Android, Algiz RT8. Nothing fancy on the outside, just a plain white box. So let's lift it up and get it open. So the first thing we see is the Algiz RT8 Quick Start Guide. Take a look in here. And so the first page is going to show us the contents of the box, as well as a basic map for some of the buttons. A few more details on the enclosure itself, including the battery cover, and then placement of the SIM and micro SD cards. You'll also notice a note here on how to insert and remove the battery. I'll walk you through that here in a moment. And that's it for the Quick Start Guide. This is also available online. Remove the protective foam here, and there's the unit. Lifting it up out of the box here, it's nice and light. Good form factor, feels nice and rugged in the hands. I'll just place it aside for a moment, and we'll see what else is in the box here. One more layer of foam, and here's the contents. We'll start with the battery. And I'll show you how to put that in a moment. Moving over to the USB cable for charging, it's USB-C. And that attaches to the, hang on a second, the power brick here. Pull that out and show you. So there are quite a few different adapter options here. We'll pull the North American outlet adapter and put it onto the charging block. And there we are. And so we'll put the USB in here, and there's our charger for the device. The other attachments are for other regions, so that this one unit as boxed is effectively a global unit. And so we'll just put that back in the box for now, and set the charger aside for later, and put it all away. Taking a look at the back, you will see the, as pointed out in the Quick Start Guide, the different basically switches for keeping the enclosure watertight. Just lift that off here. And let me show you how to put in the battery. So we'll take the battery, and you'll notice at the top here, this one more switch, and that is a lock-unlock for the battery itself. So in addition to the cover locks, we have this lock here, and it is in the unlock position now. We'll make sure the battery contacts are going in the right way. And now that we've got it in, we're going to move the switch over to the locked position. And so that just kind of keeps the battery set in place. Take the battery cover, put it back on, and I've got this the wrong way. We'll put it back. And so once you hear that initial kind of click of everything sitting correctly in there, we're going to start moving the switches back to the locked position. So we've got a total of 6 here. That's 2, 3, 4, and then the 2 at the base. Got to make sure we get those 2. It's 5, and that's 6. And now the battery cover is on completely. We'll just power it up. Thanks for joining us for another unboxing. For more information on the Algiz RT8 or for any of the other products we carry, be sure to visit subseatechnologies.com.